Me, I know they like plenty makeup. I know they like woman where she pierce more than one. That one, I see you, I they like you pass. Everything go vanish.
Go vanish for real.
Then anklets. I know they like one bit.
But so, you know, say you get some people they feel anklet then kind of things, but they be normal girls.
It not be the behavior they talk. Okay. It be the thing where go attract you. So I see that thing. No, it be pass Sierra said everything go vanish.
The anklet, they actually say they scare.
The anklet they scare.
One of my biggest turn off is when you come visit me, you call me to me, I send you money. They go buy pills. My biggest turn off be that. I need to be serious.
I don't want one break.
No, I don't break. So pills money to the beat me. Then I never been pound. I bought my bravo. I'm telling you, no. Pills money. Oh, hero pa. Pills money. See, credit me normal, but say I don't have the ball and kasa buy.
Me obi a psychological me no kasa. One no come to me share. Because intuition na mo hanu my terms of mental illness. It la way to say
when you dey aduane bi na
what was it obi kasa we dey aduane album and we so one album.
So that
is all psychological we intini na because when person e be produce nkwala mo nyina wa
human people. Today be another day too. I bet if this be your first time we dey watch my video, can you subscribe, give me the share the link, then comment, give you too. Today they come do boys to boys something. I be understand. But they come talk 10 on then turn off in ladies. So I get my boy for here, Blake, Abuja, then Dr. Duncan for here. I will see that thing. So we start from the 10 offs. So I beg Blake, give me some of the 10 offs where they see for ladies inside that. You to go on with you work.
10 offs, yeah.
I beg if you talk loud, small, give me
10 offs, yeah, be bucket list too.
Sir, give me some.
Disrespectful.
Oh, okay. No, like women when they be disrespectful. Alright.
Plus woman way the rest.
Rest as in what?
As in one of kasa so person no kasa on person no be kasa.
Okay. Maybe you friend no pentema ko baby and I say.
Oh, say bibia na communication. O e bia me pentema no kwa be ma e bia number kwa na person me je be enter.
As in then what again?
Bucket list.
Kemo go come.
Shadi one say me obi a psychological me no kasa one no kram to me share. Because intuition na mo hanu my terms of mental illness. It la way to say
when you dey aduane bi na
one say obi kasa we dey aduane album and we so one album.
So that is all
psychological we intini na because when person e be produce nkwala mo nyina wa
Charlie, you want me hard o.
Bucket list.
But viewers, when I'm making it be 2 pesos, I beg go rotate times. I be free. So Abuja, give me some way, 10 off list way you get for your.
Oh, me my 10 off. One of my biggest 10 off is when you come visit me, you call me to me, I send you money. They go buy pills. My biggest 10 off be that. I need to be serious.
I don't want one break.
No, I don't break. So pills money to the beat me. Then I never been pound. I bought my bravo. I'm telling you, no. Pills money. Oh, hero pa. Pills money. See, credit me normal. But say I don't have the ball and kasa buying. One friend me say, Opeska, I got to pills. Never.
But what if say you no go buy the pills? I be way you pregnant. Maybe you are not ready to give birth or something.
So he self no make credit buy the beat me. You do not pills sika. I just offer me.
Okay.
One thing about ladies be say ladies sick of that them are 1 or 2 issue they buy. You say I mean so every woman get money. Oba catch so ni skako kata kra dey. No dey happen.
You know so how person go get advice or something.
Now, you know, be say like aunt me koto. He will call me and tell me to send her money.
This kind of the best sellers of Vanguard. That way they boy you.
People say,
I don't know. I don't buy some before.
See that? Yeah, you know the cost. So I know me expect to say, and I will catch him say, yeah. So that's in there.
Oh, your next this.
Me the way you say there, son.
Okay.
Yeah.
With the next one.
Me turn off your bar only two. Me the only two I like.
So you like as well.
Oh yeah. True matter. Me I go tell you.
So if you say what you say, like you get it as well, any on your wife material or that kind of things, how do you?
I don't want the I be unim that boys. Later on, sure. Me, I see you not get as pay not my.
So that as we will attract you first, and we will get.
You see, I'm very actually more.
So you know, get the person no get answer. I know be like.
No.
That can give me your own.
Yeah, me my biggest turn of the woman way she know the pet. Okay. Woman way she know the pet. You see some women they like they don't know them limits. Then get some places be at them for you go fit play. But some place you know go fit play certain play.
Sure.
But some women they don't know that then limits. Anyway, she won't play plus you. Where the play she don't want play plus you to she no go know the limits. Yeah, that would be my biggest and way woman way she know she no be concerned about in personal hygiene. Some people then they like
miss out they might list inside for you.
Them are perfume self. I'm not sure they then get perfume. Then they galley for the world inside, no perfume. So any weather condition yeah, then still they inside. So that thing like more times you go hear some you go smell some this thing for anybody. Where that thing I know they like
so they like woman will be neat.
Yeah. Where the third one me I know say that they like plenty calls. So if small time you call.
Maybe the person for it's the most if they get them 4 hours so you know the feel secure for where they figure say they
I be you 4 need to have a 4 and so if I 4 I get my limits. You two you get your limits. So we for make one our limits come crush.
Okay, then go make one.
No bro in one for be extreme. So ask me I know they like you know you they like I for come small. So say you two for crush me. But make it no be like the piano, then me then you I do some things and they do long things.
So for be
50-50. Yeah, for be 50-50. But some people then get a morning tea, day phone top, afternoon tea, then day phone top. Like
well, you know the way.
Where man for search money.
That
you see, we don't want money for search money. So I go job I for focus. Where I for read things where they go on for the world inside. But some woman she dey morning tea she tune up no she won't call you she go call
I don't always say to her I say
I don't know but some women that be hard in day
yeah it's true
some people too they know say that they like call plenty so for balance that thing but me I see say they like call pet the thing where my last one be
this one is hard though
my last one be woman way she know the dress fine some women Charlie.
The dressing in which way they want the dressing me say what the dressing
is for classic
me I don't want woman wearing a dress I mean I want something simple they understand I don't want make us plenty then nah
yeah like me that. I know they like plenty makeup I know they like woman where she pierce more than one that one I see you I they like you pass everything go vanish
for real
then anklets I know they like one bit
but so, you know say you get some people they feel anklet then kind of things but they be normal girls
it no be the behavior at the top.
Okay.
It be the thing way go attract you. So I see that thing no, it dey be past Sierra self everything go vanish.
The anklet they actually say they scare.
The anklet they scare.
So because we want a tradition, if some brother dey anklet inside that, it means say the person be them press test and things then press people no. So like it be something where I say yeah firm abeka so it has become something that we are.
Alright, maybe the person didn't grow up from where you grew up, so maybe the person.
That be why it be me my turn off no.
Oh, okay, no my own.
No be your own.
Yeah, sure. So guys, me to my turn off. I get some for you. I talk already. Girls when they put plenty makeup, they bomb me and they like. When you say some girls want to bomb tea as a lemon green, no born orange, never from
colors. That one the ball. Some bro go fit they like move for they go there here like then black. Then gold.
How?
Like I mean, I don't know something the girlfriend.
You guys say with the so way the guys they want to actually now
then
on the real.
Them a guy. So you see I'm a left hand.
Okay, maybe your woman maybe some guy they feel that one.
One thing is every guy the one woman way. You take and go outside. Mommy them so go see Charlie on him befi.
Sure.
That be one thing. So what by now why I say we 6'9" the cash is 6'9". No one today.
We my list I don't like girls we like they don't be supportive. You understand? It be like you do something cry and form home.
I be supportive it be relative. You talk woman will be supportive by be relative sake of some woman be she go feel support you for your work inside but you can't house her. She no go support you for house chores. I know some party be she say she get some mindset say like the house chores wey the women dey do no e plenty so dem for share plus the guys. So as e dey mop no you the guy no for go sweep you see that thing but e go bring money can house that one to be support.
Yeah,
so e go be for be relative.
My support wey I dey talk be mostly maybe if I get some dream car I wan acquire I be like enfan who be I dey do me wey I dey do so me
make I add something for Manyanyo. Say woman wey dey complain about those kinds things no nyoba
as in fear the year anytime
fear the year
right the women wey dem come fear the year they don't
nyoba share yani ankaya mama no mo dey akoma dwane
you know say dem are era to pass
dem are era pass oba and omo nyina mo tu akote say na kire say emaya no atwam.
But in my then times you know, right now the difference come inside.
Difference come inside because some women take on men them are responsibilities put them on top. Make them be a them no shara and boy fiesa.
You know say then times when I puppy them so now in ban share and juma gidi say na saying until then time maybe the wife day house if you do everything.
Me be ni kakan me nanam I am mama. Me who so oton ade san ye fiade. Me papa mama me who so oton ade san ye fiade. Enti ene dey any excuse.
Okay.
They will talk say right the take off any day then how I be the old time no not ladies know that they go school plenty like that sake of oko school kakra do JHS Rebecca just about there oko school crowd do better bed and anything make with day house so that one they now they know say them are duty but already plenty women you get PhD instead you get PhD they do serious things where sometimes instead you no get so then figure right then we all the rock shoulders so if they take money than you if they bring in contribution for the household no it won't pass your own. Why make Isan can work for house? Make you still be the organ for the house.
I get your point, Charlie.
You can say asemsi ofia you say mema ambra o you can say mama. Masa inti ya wo be ma adwuma ene wo be adwuma. Inti oba want to we asane de na kire say minim planet of
one generation he had said some ladies go mellow themselves give them a guide them.
So you guys they do give the women. They not get any generation masa. Hey.
So you get some turn off again. They will go move on.
Yeah, my turn off on the bucket list. Once I guess it's me jina kwa ho. Na ebuye mu. Bebre.
Omo say we year since animal.
Bro. They say bucket list. Make us make a young boy.
We I guess so again. Your turn off is really all right.
So me the last one I go attach be woman wey every party and that she dey.
Okay.
Abi you be party you for know you the party you for know the things you dey like.
Sure.
Take off maybe oh yeah then I saw for line and then reserved kind of people no. For know say you your woman no be that party babe people no. Take off me every party be I know they go.
What if say they invite you?
It dey depend the party take off. Then party way then they do for I mean no then party mean I no go feel good that
so
party.
You get your class down.
So if I dey want woman I for set woman way in that party you no go feel go and that's of if my woman be used to then party what dey happen for there no know.
True.
You dey bab.
True.
So if me at the house sometimes I dey focus for the job I dey do or some rounds I dey do when my woman dey the party and what she dey do for them here I know.
No.
I don't know. So if some bro can tell me say she see my woman for here, she see my woman for some side behind them some party be the worker, make her believe am or make her not believe am. And so if I know you the party, if I know your body, so say the woman you dey won't take no, you go match up plus you.
Alright.
So me woman wey dey like party there.
So what if say your list or the kind of woman they want to know, maybe the person gets 80% of the things where they want in woman with that party thing or how you go do?
I mean we go talk. You then go vibe.
Okay.
You talk plus some women you know be say them be bad, but growing up not then be exposed to some things where you know be them afford.
Sure.
But if you then talker, she go back. You know be say you meet am no she for stop they go the party.
No
but you then go vibe small then you go make it bab the reason why maybe I know for go the party. Or maybe a woman then you go give them leeway make you go the party and but e no go fit be like every day bia she go dey party and that one dey abi wetin mean dey sake of you your kiddies or e go mold them sake of more times bia you no go dey house so if your woman dey like party surely your kiddies too go like party.
You know sometimes lack of finance for house dey make girls dey do some things wey they no dey feel say dem go do or something like that.
Finance.
Yeah, lack of finance for house.
Me I dey see say e be well finance is it plays a very key role in the household decision, but also boils down so much to the responsiveness of the guy. Sake of even the Bible says that the guy is the head of the family. So if you refuse to accept or play by that rules and you allow the woman to take over, and even some things, the time I did I get my party he say he do some ladies be interview, then say that the thing they know the life for parties them about give you party where everything you go talk be what you say. So what there be a family go back over here they take you go. Forget control small, you know say for be abusive, but at least you forget some control. Maybe this thing make you do am so a woman why I say we can.
All right, so guys, me then say them at 10 or finish. Me I keep plenty for years, so we can give you some. One, I don't like fat girls. If you fat, so I don't like Obolo. I don't like Obolo. I don't like. Never say never do, but right now.
For me, the size girls.
Some people get my list inside, but I mean,
see.
Shout.
Some girls get fun.
Yeah,
or Obolo, but
what shape? To talk I'm raw, me I don't like Obolo. Because me I go carry you or you go carry me.
Wait, well, second thing is I don't like ladies where they get plenty stretch marks. They stretch marks like normal ones, but I go see some ladies actually then bleach. Then ladies where they bleach with the bomb it actually. Nah, I don't like ladies where they bleach stretch marks and kind of things. Nah, we don't like girls when be two church girls. I say I saw them quite the gym. My name I don't like that thing. Maybe I saw the kakra, we kakra.
Hey.
Oh, nah, is it the girls where they be a sorry nkwano? Nah, no they be. Yeah, when you be cry, I know they go on what. So I saw kakra na the man kakra when you move light to and be.
I like that sorry because then they know the word play.
You sure? Hey, boss.
Today I can't make this statement clear. Omo bre our relationship mu pa a Pentecost for remember.
That's why Pentecost guy. You hear that
what? Me too. I know why they talk so. Because na yiri ni Jimmy make o dibia wa sorry then mo ba ni Jimmy on to me yan ba me amenkwa sorry say no be ko
nkwa sorry o can e dey
bro me amenkwa sorry no be ko because me I don't live by me strap me makuma kura me any adwene kura me na me dey nam intimation na manipulate me nessa aniema na o be ko because
the more they talk they mean say it go fit change women like 500 times bro. So if you go to do tried and error, you meet new one way she mess up small, then you go make you go. You meet new one way you mess up small, you go make you go. Then maybe you're about 17 now. Why are you 500?
Relationship no be easy.
You don't be mess up small. Your relationship man, your part in beer, what's your relationship man? Part and what's your baby? Now wow to me, that's your calculation. Who say you no go end well. Inti anya say beer. Why we say communication in our relationship.
Yeah.
Until we here was any pakasa. But yes, sometimes crowd silence square to make kasa high cross and say be our baby one. We come now all the way nation style you know don't send your and yet
with you. All right, so we'll move on with the tenors. Who will start? That can we start and give you Abuja go start. Abuja start. Abuja be some of your tenor way they see for the challenge this girl yeah. Then thing some so what be your tenor like give me some listing.
Oh yeah, my tenor the my way respectful.
Okay.
Yeah, you see naturally then get people way naturally obuade.
Be true.
Yeah, naturally obuade. We see my tenor me oba or shape. Yeah, is it fair or fine or cocoa or shape? No, that girl's there. That girl's there. See some that girls be fine.
Yeah, like black.
Me, I like fine. You know, be say, "Cover that, babe."
Have you getting change your bow? Money if you change you man small.
No.
You sure? Are you sure about this thing?
You get plan say they make your money. What do you ebe ba?
Oh no, I mean if you then the woman dey from scratch where you can't get the money like indirectly, no, you go make fine.
Oba ne na ho go kutwa sika hia na besa kutwa ne wo.
Then get medicine with
Me I never see some until I see say kutwa medicine the cure kutwa there. Bro, this oba ne na ho kutwa me biggest
no. That one says okay, it depends. Abi everybody and what they like.
Yeah.
So because me pa okra na me hwe fituna ase. Ekwafo osoro. Hwe na na esi fam no first.
Then your chairman go, you go where you.
Hwe na na esi fam no first.
Hwe na 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 papa I cry on for o.
Memfa. Na no kwat me kire me so ya fit. Obetumi produce nkola omo ya fit. Party ase.
Okay.
Na no obi wo hono ma na achi me one preference of send a 9 and say
nkwana go
your baby out mo say chale 9 esi from the man 9 pa ene e wo bi nmu a wo say achi koliko ankasa so all be one at 10 of that it na me ka say 10 of the be ka say me
10 as e ko body shame sound what side no chale
that be na say ade a me fe
okay
obi apa the
that one there that one nti wo phone no wan ko fa na aka no
ebi so me
maybe he cover that
okay
obi are the ope
yeah wey me too one thing I like about some girls my biggest turn on the girl wey be straightforward you go talk with the team maybe at this sub we no account straight on for any see you than somebody wey go hide the thing from you later you go do that one you see I go pay you
but we had say woman go do that too.
Yeah, they women know straightforward though. Me like this. Now I guess I'm guilty. I go talk maybe best nothing could do. You go laugh. You go follow you. If you like, go try some. Say best nothing could do. Just go follow you. Or go smile. Go follow you. Yeah, but sometimes now I get like fairy be near there. I don't know. You go talk this. Oh baby, this. You see that thing so. Yeah. So girl, best yes. So I call out for it. So me I see those kind of girls I like them prim catch you ade awe no me pay that thing so me ni pa me ko be catch you see that dancer be see oni ade you forget confidence body
me to turn on be girl we get in femininity side no be high we be submissive and no crowd you look at that Minyawa abua.
Okay.
Unya no na.
Give am
Kreme crowd ya men kwa ho minyahu ya men mi approach mpo na mpese ya nya rapport bi na as relationship bi da bi. Na mpese ya nya rapport na relationship it me men okra. And no I no go approach you.
So that can fit give me some of your
So me my biggest turn on the woman way she be temperate. I see woman where she be temperate, where she know the like party, yebonyo no be yeboko nko bia so she no go appear for that.
But they like outing.
I know they like that be why I dey tell you say you be party if you know what you they want.
Aye.
So of me I know they like outing. My woman no for like outing. So she for be temperate.
You hard though.
Where woman where she dey pet. Oh God. Whereby I like woman where she dey pet. Woman where she be temperate. Where the woman too, they like prayer and things. Now you
like a sorry vibe. This guy your link, right?
If you be ambitious, sake of me, I got big time ambitions. So sake of maybe me waha moro I don't want go the next place. I get woman way ebia or no she be okay plus everything she get her. Ebi am person move Rebecca say oh ade we crowd yeah make you know the way na but I dey like woman wey she get PhD self she still dey wan go do something else sake of me I dey wan get plenty things so if motivate me sake of my kiddies no I dey wan make them be people wey dem forget ambitions proper ambitions ebi na why PhD and ochina person okoye oil and gas and things you see that thing so my woman for compliment me no be woman wey me I be magnet positive and be the other side
if you marry woman wey no be educative
nah that one and nanny so that one too I forget it be my turn off woman wey she no be educated she be complete turn off
sure
complete that one it be capital one I read for capital inside complete turn off
media
woman
you no be educated krana you for be if you nyansa no if for work because oba bi wo ho no ma wan ko school but if you nyansa no baby adu bedu no because oba fie kra na ka problem a ko mu kire o kra nyansa adwene o de betu trim no kra no gig mu ya nti no me bra panyi di o say no ya ten of ba me de wan ko school na onim nyansa no dia
say I know they talk say ebia obi eco school no nim nyansa. It's a straightforward I go take am hook line and sinker. That no be what I dey talk, but it be the basis. Say na oka say o sure ba na hu ko twa won approach no me to that be how e dey. The sure ba wey no be educated I no go get close, but I get close wey you no get wisdom. Abi that one it be then get some law be then they talk the law of effect. Who say what on sachet the bimu na se fe wa ye den automatically over chon sa but what don sa shema o twen na wa yi ska den na be person don sa so bi that be how it dey. If you dey do something where you dey get benefit for inside that you go repeat am but if you dey do where you no dey get benefit automatically go discontinue.
What you talk am aja for be so mostly no ladies maybe you get money we am wo mukra na ye din amukra because of the money dem go dey
ready plenty. I no do survey but I go talk say plenty women it be money wey dey induce them.
You will like woman wey they like money. Every man they like money though, but who are very very demanding, but you like that.
I know they like
me woman wey no dey like money sef I know they like. So pesca ebe ma me kura me be man many abre apa my
boss na kwa this kana obey the next
bro na me ko boss na me first kana bro ya mama so ya we ana ya back so pesca so when you bring me no me hustle now so hustle it da bia ya ni abre say na won say so ba so be ma oni oba ti na oba na every day o make money a wo be ma no so e ma wo any bre so be make more than wife dey make it no kwa be many abre nti no me dey oba o pesca di manage mo pa but enye in a bad way obi wo ho no pesca
no in context
in context
pesca say ono e dey want make money so
that be what I was coming to.
The woman ono na any bre senior obe pesca ama ne ho we then get woman wey woman sika bia na ani so so if it be the other one there me I sure say that one you no go like that one that one there no go like
before board no pay yeah and my biggest turn on and boy here reserved
reserved
on pe social media posting kakra bi na network na that be
Oba networking on social media is there a capital turn off? It should be capital. How can you be twerking on social media? Because they get this thing social media never forget.
Wait. What if the person be content creator for TikTok? Like let me use TikTok.
Bro, they get plenty things you fit create.
Maybe that thing to be something we only me hear power.
Oh bro.
No.
Twerking no be skill.
Charlie, some people be
maybe go more something else.
No. Some people naturally twerking experience. Ogo only to cry about twerking. Sanjo be there TikTok like that. I'm something like that. Only two. By the way, go twerk. That say be like
you like as power.
Yeah, be naturally.
If someone can tell you say in talent be prostitution, you go edge am on say make you go to prostitution.
No.
You go tell am say make it find another job. So if twerking be in content, make you go send another one.
So what about if you know they do that thing on social media, like when you like that
you different marry am.
That one they like.
You can marry the room inside. But the room inside things they happen for them.
You produce that that's why they are fighting too. It's not for man for the public.
You should not wear your wife. He caught in naked picture where he post am it go be you.
Nah. Then I mean it will be hardly say you go see somebody married to a social media can't wait.
No, people they do.
He married who that? He married.
That's why that thing for the turn up give you.
Me I like. Let me fair.
Alright, so Charlie make a mention my turn on some. Like me, I dey like cute girls, like slim. You understand?
Oh no.
I don't like plenty ass. I mean, breast. I like the cute one. The one where if you hold them like this, you see that thing. So, I also like the girls where they put on waist beast. I don't know, but that thing they be me. I like that thing. So, respectful girlfriend, like then kind of things. Girl waves, either they do moves are like. You talk this now, so ordinary idea about it. Want some idea from in there. Who can we announce on the account? Who can we announce on the I like that kind of girls. We girls to way they fit do business. This me I they like business. But what you announce which many idea big back where you say between your scars and man positive business on that kind of things.
Yeah, that one they will be happy. Maybe a new person. Yeah, that's in there, no doubt about that. Yeah.
So Blake, you get any 10 on again, or you get something where be 10 off where maybe this one okay be 10 of though, but be normal give me I have to move on with that. You get something like that. Maybe let's say this thing be 10 of but okay I go overlook or like okay be normal make a maybe the person fit change on that thing now.
Hero, I dey come. Women they change like that too.
Oh, but
this matter more times they know they change, but they depend. Sometimes that be what now they talk no. Obi oha, it be exposure. Ebi also no na ahochinti. She gets exposed to certain things. Ebi when maybe disika dada no. Emma no call early relationship no. But only you know she realize say no that thing it no be good. She go fit change. But then get people only more than they won't go inside. Yeah. So that one everything you they want to be you for with the woman or your partner. You forget to know the woman say this be what he go fit do. I guess certain things Opa goes for me like saying okay obi anji he say because they know say me this thing I no go fit do. So you your woman if you know say this thing there obi be catch us say if you your woman do that thing say you know for believe. But more times sometimes there are things you can't even
me there at first when I'm a biggest turn off and more my old back abonwa but I can live by sabi in some for crap and do na yen for one lady you be manage by be a 2 3 bro a bed.
All right. So Abuja will be something will be 10 you like be your 10 of but maybe if you check say be 10 of though but like I feel move on with you or that kind of thing so
Obowan
now then
some one fine. Oh yeah, after wow back on was no see. Yeah.
So sure. Generally if some born one me 10 of give you.
Be 10 off.
But the only way will be make 10 on
the person be fine.
Or fine. Or
after
you like fine girls wow.
Oh no, hero pa.
No. One thing we
give her mic.
One thing we practice. It give you correct vibe then fans. The woman, your woman, like woman where she dey be. About party the girl where other no way I want to make her just say easy that. So because you know be proud of your woman.
Yeah.
Your woman there if be somebody where who dey need PR one guy don't say you be package.
I get something.
Who dey do face serve your people go talk say who nim dem.
Actually the one.
Then get woman be cry oduwechi cry na odu baby na okoya ade kra yi. Oba na oduwechi nti. Because you say also taste ne into kabia yeti. I confirm chinchina police no. And no say no na nkra na gabo mo. What means son and sa. You can say adofo so say adofo say I say on looking bet me up me ade.
Yeah. Me
obi apade efe.
Okay. Me then my secret behind fine girls be say me go be hardly say I go pro give you. I don't pro. No. So if I go pro, I say you fine, kaza. Me like me no be me pet massa. No, so before
all the fine girls, them man propose.
I swear.
No, me there you fine. Where I say your mind there, that one.
So you get woman we see some different girl will be fine past the woman to it.
That one be no me. It go be hard to approach you. Yeah, before cancer me price them no down for crash. Say their first time approach no me.
So why say you approach woman and you dey fear? Why?
That me naturally no. The fear. Me I don't know say that if I dey fear or some name Sumaya. Because me my girls are date or it be either my sister, your friend or my friend be in girl in friend.
I understand.
Or you see, as a naturally be end down for I can't.
Transaction.
Yeah, pass a stranger pal. I go no.
I guess some friend be, I will make it show you. Then call him Clement.
Okay,
so my last question before we go be say like you go allow your woman or the girl where they feel say maybe go marry and get bestie or that kind of thing.
No. Me naturally be jealous.
Yeah.
Me not jealous.
So you go take bestie.
Me now I will take bestie.
So you know go allow your woman to take
if you like, make you not make her.
Me talking from experience. I turn bestie plenty, but now the diet the women we are the bestie. So me there. That thing no go fit pass my compound or my terrace. No. Now they die the bad. They introduce me to give people as bestie.
Okay.
Even some they introduce me give the boyfriends as bestie. But me I know say we dey eat one body.
Right.
So me there.
Danka, what's your take on that?
Me the bestie, they are not the best. So for me, I no get problem. I no be jealous. We have trust issues. I mean the only thing be say me, if you give me a reason not to trust you, then I no go fit trust you again. But naturally, you see, you go to university fresher, the 4.0, then they take give you, say defend them. So me too, they take your 4.0 give you. So defend them. If you defend them cleaner, then it's still there. If you know if you defend them there, then maybe marry.
This you take the Charlie hard though. But I mean, the other few say mama go take bestie. Nah.
Me, I know
so
the
woman, to me, woman then guy like lady then guy no fit be friends. Something go happen. You understand?
Me if I get friends for school, sometimes it's me come walk down man. They change me hot, but that nothing go happen. Me that me.
Okay, that be you.
Oh yeah, me that be me. Nothing go happen.
I dey put on to this test.
Yeah. Me nothing go happen.
Sometimes maybe them go come out, them go come house, make it try say you dey run things, then see what go happen.
No. Me sad look at me trim.
Oh, the fashion will trim then see.
That's what I talk you say.
Then you go get your destiny.
You see me. I am a ding. Say me I dey man put.
Ask what I go talk. Then what on our better day.
No.
So the woman, the girl come bed, then nothing go happen.
Yeah.
What if say your woman talk with you, I go bed this guy in there, nothing happen, I go believe.
Me I go believe you. Because he say me cause I make kind of crampo, one no cry na your ding.
Yeah.
You see, but me, I do something before I test myself. I say, oh, you saw me a day.
Okay, that one be you. What you talk? Plenty viewers no go agree with you.
Oh yeah, but me I do one, so you will do one. He say me as I talk that
we don't dey plus room plus any woman we nah. Me I dey room plus my co-workers, then things nothing happen. But then get some you know say you dey diet, but then go introduce you as bestie. But now you dey diet, so me dey bestie no go.
But naturally, and get girls are omunya papa. Free war for bad.
That one
naturally, girl no na mo papa. Because me I know somebody way I know somebody way. He get correct or go serious boy. But I know my friends, 4 friends they eat the same girl.
Hard oh.
They eat the same girl.
It is. This one they will for do am.
Yeah, I know 4 people they eat. Omunya di one girl about na more of labor seat. Yeah, you know man. Naturally, so me I can't realize it. Naturally, the girls, then get girls with omunya papa. Because this girl, me who papa eh.
You correct, I cannot go allow that.
Charlie, at least one self. Oh, Charlie, by 4 or 5 days.
So my viewers, so this will be the end. You know, so I beg if you share your idea, then kind of things for the comment under. So if today be the first time, as I talk already, subscribe, give me. Then if I don't video pay, you get notification. I for do ladies too. Ladies turn on. I'm gonna be good music okay. That's it.
I'm from mixed parties than ladies too.
We'll do that one.
We hope to meet the ladies here.
Yeah. All right, so Dan, can you give some shout outs to anyone where they feel like then we'll go wrap up then do one fast.
Okay, so my first shout out goes to Nana Amponsa.
Oh, okay.
And my party B, then they call him Nana Amponsa.
All right.
So shout out to Nana Amponsa. Then Nana Okosi Apia, Erica, she did Kuftown.
All right.
Then Nana Patricia.
Oh, okay.
The original.
Lomi. Yeah, I say Lomi. Abuja.
Asamoah. Yeah, my big shout out to Asamoah fans.
Okay.
Yeah, my customers. Yeah, big shout out to you people. And my mommy. Yeah, that woman there, Charlie. You know, see, I don't feel go plus. Yeah. Go without time. So I'm a big out to my mommy. She be Cindy Fashion, the CEO of Cindy Fashion. I really love that woman. Love you, mommy. If
you take a number, put outside. So if somebody wants to, then kind of things. I don't know your number.
Okay. Mommy now be 0249 16 13 73 So if it link up, everything she go do give you, make
Sharp,
you know everything. Yeah, I be you know say me too. Me I mean kasa be. Yes.
I be the particularly the West. Have you so and so?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Me I be the know say me I the so already. Yeah, kasa be. The name be Asamoah Urgent. You see all social media platforms.
Alright.
But me dey ask about DM me no. Me I no be somebody. Me every message I dey reply. I no be them people wey I say no, ni refi. Never ever in my life because I dey see those people to be me. They also do a message or see me refi and now a doors no do.
You go reply am fast.
Yeah.
Alright, Blake, give you a shout out to Moku Rapper.
Shout out to my family members,
Alright.
friends, and everyone else.
Alright, man, shout out to the viewers, no. So I beg, subscribe, give me that one. They didn't hear me. Wow.